Welcome back, friends. We have introduced magnetic proximity sensor, which have advantage that they have the large sensing ranges, possible even with small sensor types. Magnetic proximity sensor uses permanent magnets, which are usually used to trigger magnetic proximity sensors. For example, magnetically hard substances such as steel alloyed with other metals such as aluminum, cobalt, and nickel. So we can here use these permanent magnets which trigger magnetic proximity sensors. Next is a photoelectric sensors. Photoelectric sensor is a semiconductor component which reacts to light or emits the light. The emitted light may be either in visible range or in the invisible infrared range. So we use photoelectric sensor, which is a semiconductor component which either reacts to light or emits the light. And this light may be either visible range, invisible range, or in the invisible infrared range. The sensors, infrared sensors, which are used in photoelectric sensors, can be active or can be passive. Active sensors send out an infrared beam and responds to the reflection of the beam against a target. As comparative to passive infrared sensors, the active sensors send out an infrared beam and respond to the reflection of the beam against a target. The advantage of photoelectric sensors over inductive or capacitive sensors is their increased range. Dirt, oil mist, and other environmental factors will hinder operation of these photoelectric sensors during the manufacturing process. But advantage of photoelectric sensors again as compared to inductive or capacitive sensors is the increased range.